All right, I'm here with Trey Mundy, and he is going to perform the experiment for extra credit. Too bad he's not in our science class, right? He won't get the 10 points extra credit, but it's a fun learning experience. All right, so Trey, will you hold up the graduated cylinder? I'm not sure if you know what that is. Yep, you do. That's a graduated cylinder from the science lab. All right, go ahead and put it down. And then I want you to find the hydrogen peroxide. There you go. Pour that into the tube. Now we don't have a whole lot of that, but you're going to pour all of it in.
Every single bit?
All of it into the graduated cylinder. Now you're supposed to leave the graduated cylinder flat. You're not supposed to pick it up when you pour. I should have told you that in the first place.
What?
All right, next thing that you're going to put in, I want you to take a couple drops of the red dye. It's red food coloring, non-toxic. I want you to put 3 drops in it.
On my tongue? Oh.
It's not food. It's from the science lab. We never eat anything from the science lab.
Oh.
Okay, so put 3 drops into the graduated cylinder.
Food coloring. 2, 3.
Okay, now what I want you to do is I want you to take the dish soap, which is the green, and I want you to put 1 teaspoon in. Now there's a teaspoon laying right there. Now as we're waiting for Trey to get the dish soap on the teaspoon, I'm going to show you his horse trailer. It's our trailer. That's where the horses go. That's Trey and Midnight. Trey and Midnight and another pony named Coco. And then the horses ride in there, and then our camper's up front. Okay, Trey is now ready with the dish soap. Pour it into the graduated cylinder. Now remember on the video that we watched on Science Max, it said try your own amounts. So we're trying our own amount. This isn't anything we wrote down. We just came up with it on our own. Now what Trey is going to do now, he has, this is from the science lab, potassium iodide, and it should act like baking soda. So we're going to see, this might work, it might not. It's a science experiment. Sometimes science experiments do not work. All right, Trey, open that. I don't know the efficacy of the potassium iodide. It might have been in there a while. I'm not sure.
It looks like salt.
Yeah, it looks like, see, it looks like baking soda. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put just a little bit in the lid. You got to be real careful with this, okay? And if this is old, if it's super old, it might not work as well. It might not work at all. I'm not sure how old it is. It's been in there a while. All right, Trey, what you're going to do is you're going to put it on the spoon. Put it on the teaspoon. And about a teaspoon of it. And then in just a second, you're going to put it in the graduated cylinder. But I want you to make an observation first. What color is the liquid?
The liquid is, it would be, it's red.
Okay, so that's one of your physical properties. The color is red. Do you notice at the bottom it looks like there is soap at the bottom?
Ooh, it's orange.
Why would the soap be at the bottom and the, what was it, peroxide, hydrogen peroxide, why would that be at the top?
Because the soap would be at the bottom because it's heavier than the water.
Heavier or more dense?
Dense.
Yes, which is the same thing. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna pour that in and then you're gonna back up. We're gonna cross our fingers out, cross your fingers first. Let's hope that this works.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Back your head away. Okay, look at the bottom here. The pressure's building up. That was very less dramatic than what I expected it to be. We didn't have enough hydrogen peroxide, I don't think. But we see the bubbles forming, so a chemical reaction has occurred.
It's not done.
No, it's not done. What could we do next time to make more of an explosion?
We should put real baking soda in because
You could try real baking soda.
we have some.
Maybe have more hydrogen peroxide. Maybe a smaller graduated cylinder. It's pretty cool though. We'll see what happens over time. Trey, you're going up with Pa. I'll watch your experiment and I'll record it in just a few minutes. Oh, it's starting to
No way!
spout out.
No way!
It's happening.
I really want to touch it with a spoon.
Look.
That does look like a volcano. I want to take a scoop of it.
Okay, you can take a scoop of it.
Now what this is a chemical reaction. It will create
Now you-
more and more bubbles.
Now, I know you're using a spoon, but you never eat it, never put it around your eyes or your nose.
This is a chemical reaction. This happens and the bubbles are forming and it's making a chemical reaction with the bubbles.
Yep. You know what?
Ooh, it actually looks like a volcano.
You ready?
Yep.
Okay, say, see you later, bye.
See you later. Bye.